Number two, that I think is, again, incredibly important and often kind of disregarded, conscious breathing. Stop right now and just take deep inhale and then exhale. That alone is changing your physiology. That alone is changing brain waves. If you do that 3 times, I think you go from sympathetic to parasympathetic, the research says. And there are so many ways you could go about. You could do just that. You do box breathing, super simple, 4-4-4. Hold it for 4, breathe out for 4. You could do a 4-7-8, which is more parasympathetic. It's more Buteyko type breathing, where you take in for 4, you hold for 7, and you breathe out for 8. And that's really good for activating that parasympathetic and getting you out of a fight or flight response where we're always on and kind of sympathetically triggered, and combat anxiety, fatigue, and some of those other things that we deal with every single day. If you only do that for a few minutes a day, you're already changing so much of what is required to truly be optimally healthy. Number 3, I want to address this a little bit because detox is all the fad. But why not do it in a holistic manner? I mean, most of us just want to do detox to, make our skin pretty and lose a little bit of weight. But true detox is about body, mind, and spirit. True detox is truly, cutting off from things that are toxins to you, people that are toxins to you. Social media, if it feels like a toxin to you at times and is causing stress in your life, it probably is a toxin. And start using other elements beyond just fasting and everything, infrared therapy, lymphatic drainage, Gerson therapy, matrix regeneration therapy, spagyric medicine. There's so many great detoxification options out there. Don't just make it about trying to remove physical toxins, which you should, but actually make it on a truly holistic manner, mind, body, spirit. So we're going to move on to number 5. And some of you may not know this from the name itself, but Carax therapy, AKA oil pulling. I remember I had Dr. Dom on, a biological dentist from Germany, and he said this is probably one of the most important things for dental health. But not just dental health, it falls in line with number 4, what we just said, detoxification. But it also stimulates the lymphatic system. It gets rid of a lot of metabolic waste in the body, not just in the mouth. And yes, it is the reason I think so many people have better dental health. And again, in line with that, make sure your dental health is top and prime and go to a biological dentist, because I think so many of our issues that are unknown in this world right now of health issues stem from dental issues. So apply oil pulling. There's some great coconut oils, even with peppermint. 5-10 minutes, start off your day with like that. Just do it while you're in the shower or something, get it ready. That's an amazing hack that you should be implementing.